Hello, today we are going to do a leg cool down stretch. So I just worked out, super great, working out on all different parts of my legs, and now we're gonna do a stretch to cool down, help elongate all of the muscles, make sure they're all yummy so that they can heal and relax. So we're just gonna do 10 minutes and here we start. So first, we're going to do crisscross and reach down. And as we do this, you'll feel the stretch in your lower back, your upper back, and I want you to really reach forward. So we'll hold this. And now we'll switch legs and do the other leg on top. We'll do that again. Awesome, and now I'm gonna shake out my legs a little bit. Shake it out, shake it out. Okay, we're gonna get into a lunge, everything on the floor, and we're gonna lean forward. Make sure that your knee is not going above your toes. You'll feel the stretch all along here, your quads, your hips, really opening it up. All right, we'll straighten it out. Put your nose to your knee. This one, your toes can go up, and you'll feel it all along your hamstring on this leg. All right, we'll go back into that lunge. We'll do the same thing. This time you could keep it, or you can raise your arm up. This arm, raise it up, look up. I'll go further so you can see our full body. And go up. Perfect. Now we'll go back into this again. Awesome. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna lay this leg down, sit down, straighten this leg out. There we go. I believe this is called pigeon in yoga. Go down. And for this one, stay up, but if you wanna feel more of a stretch, go down. Okay, and now we're gonna practice our splits. Like I said, this is for after you've worked out, so your legs should already be warm. If you feel like you're not ready, then don't go into it fully. You know, just go to where you're comfortable, but if you can, go all the way down, or just lean your arms, you know, how you slowly get into it. Or if you have blocks, you could do it, but we'll hold this. Since I need more of a stretch, and you guys can do too if you're able to get to this level, but you can lean forward as well, and you'll feel it more in your hamstring as you lean forward. Awesome. So now we'll do the other leg. So now get back into your lunge and feel that stretch deep into your hip, feel in your quads a bit. You'll feel it on the hip and the leg that is down on the mat. Okay, and now we'll straighten the leg out. You want to try to put your knees to your nose, keep everything flat. This leg is a little bit tighter here, so I'm actually not going as low as the other leg. So do what is best for your body and what feels comfortable. Okay, so we'll lunge again and stretch up. You want to look up at your fingers. You can feel the stretch in your hip and in your back and your arm as you're stretching up. So you'll feel it in multiple places, and you'll feel pressure on your hand that is down. But you can even push up as well on that, so really stretch it. Okay, now we'll do this again. Leg up, toes up, reach face down, hands on both sides of your leg to balance. Okay, now we'll go. Put your legs down into the pigeon pose. Here we go. Up for a bit. Okay, and now we'll go down. Awesome, and now we'll get into the splits. If you can, slowly get yourself into it. This leg, like I said, not as flexible as the other currently. So I'm just gonna keep myself up with my arms, and I'll just slowly go down. Woo. And since this leg is struggling a little bit, because right now my hamstring is super tight, I'm actually gonna hold it for a little bit longer and see if I can slowly just melt a little further, stretch it a little bit more. And a lot of that has to do with breathing. So it's relaxing the body, and when you feel like tightening, then you breathe and you try to relax your body even more. All right, so what if that leg was tight? Okay, so now we'll get into butterfly. Hold it. Stretching my neck too. Slowly side to side. And this is what it looks like in the front as well, so you can see what butterfly is. And if you want more of a stretch, you could also press on your legs and push it down. And every time you push on yourself, you don't want to go really quick and fast. You want to just go slow, so then your body can feel if it's ready for that and where your level of comfort is in still stretch. Awesome. Okay, so now that we're here, legs are forward. I'm going to actually cross it like a 4 and then bring my leg closer to me. So we'll hold that. Okay, we'll do the other side. Awesome. Now we're gonna end it just going to the middle. Just leaning forward, feeling it stretch your hamstrings, your legs. And for this one, I want you to try to keep your back more straight as you go down instead of like curving it. Try your best to go straight and down, and then when it gets to a point that it naturally curves, that's totally fine. So. Now we'll go to a side of our leg, and we'll lean down and hold it. And you'll feel it all along the underneath of your leg. So your hamstring, you can feel it in your calf, slightly, your heels. Perfect. Now we'll go to the other side. Okay, so that was the stretch for a leg cool down. I hope you guys try it. I hope it helps, and I hope after this your body recovers and heals and feels amazing after, and then you're ready for the next workout. Perfect. All right, see you guys.